Hello everyone, welcome to the Compliance Weekly, 5th of November 2024. Uh, let's start with the Milestone board walkthrough. The last issue that we discussed was compliance center selection box is not updated. The next one is feature flag rollout of FF compliance audit merge. Sam?
Yes, this was the feature flag that was guarding auditing merges. That feature's been released and cleaned up as well. So the feature flag is closed.
The next one is adherence check static application security testing, SAS. So this was assigned to me, and with with the merging of this, with the merging of MR for this issue, will we now be able to record adherence checks for any SAS scans on the repository of the projects. Um, Anything else to discuss over here?
Uh, I still have one on verification for Harsimar. I'll try to get to that today.
Uh, Now coming to planning issue. So first one is custom adherence configuration MVC. So the migration MR for adding requirement type and control expression uh, is now ready and ready again for review. And I sent it for review from date. There were several database reviewers comment, so I have asked them to review it again. And there are several minor changes related to create mutation addition for those parameters too. Apart from that, uh, uh, the MR for adding uh, MR for adding the list of all the requirement controls is under review right now, and I'm working on the updation and the destroy mutation MRs for requirements. Uh, Nate, the second, Nate, do you have any updates from Natalia on this?
No, sorry.
Okay. So the next one is again on me. Add compliance adherence requirement for each scanner. So the SAS one is deployed. Uh, the UI MR for that is about to get merged. There were some checks failing because of unrelated issues in aspects of other things. I rebased the branch and it might be fast by now. And for DAS, the backend MR is ready and under review. Uh, and I think that is also deployed. I think that got merged, but it is pending for deployment. So I'll get the DAS UI MR ready too. Uh, Next one is on SAM, compliance pipeline to security policy migration.
Yes. We still have a UI update for the framework editing pending, and that's scheduled for this week. Yeah, that's all for that one.
Next one is on Hersimer Cells 1.0 compliance database tables. Any ideas?
Yes, I can give an update on this. So we have restarted the background migration, but it's going to take a lot longer than we originally thought through to about March. So we're looking at other ways to speed it up. Maybe potentially running the migration against each I guess each portion of it to try speed it up, to split up how long it's going to take. Just trying to test that theory because we've got to run another one after that to add the sharding keys to the audit event tables as well. The project controller MR was set to merge but had a pipeline failure, so hopefully we can get that across the line today, and the other ones are in review.
Next one is on Ilya, Compliance Center improvements.
Yeah, for Compliance Center improvement, we are working on finalizing subgroup filtering, dealing with subgroup of subgroup filtering, etc. And it is on track and should be available within current milestone.
Next one is on the consolidation of tables for streaming audit events. So Andrew created one MR, one huge MR, which had changes related to audit event streaming, the new audit event streaming for consolidated destinations for group as well as instance. I reviewed it and the changes look great to me. I just asked him to break it up into smaller MRs, and he has also prepared them and just need to review them too. Next one is on SAM, Learn
Yes.
Compliance Group Engineering Product.
Yeah, that one is the product metrics where the adherence standards MR is near completion. I think it had all approvals, but the pipeline failed, so I'll take a look at that again today. And the audit log metrics are still in progress, but they're being slotted behind the UI update that's mentioned for the compliance pipeline security migration.
Okay. Any design or QA update, Amelia?
I'm still like working on the dashboard, so we're in the process of like getting people for the interview of research. And we have like 2 people scheduled, and we're just keep going. This recruiting taking longer than what we expected, but we hope we can finish the solution validation this milestone, at least all the interviews. That's on it, yeah, for the compliance part. If you have anything, just pin me, want me to review and stuff.
Next one is discussions. Nick.
Yeah, this was just an FY. As part of the recent realignment, I've started doing a lot of the operational stuff, so renaming Slack channels, our GitLab groups, Google groups, all the rest of the groups and names wherever govern is known throughout handbooks, things like that. So please bear with us as there'll be 50-50. Things changed, and I'll hopefully have it all done over the next week or two.
Yeah. Update your Zooms as well, Zoom profiles.
Yes, please do that, everyone.
So any other updates, discussions from anyone? Thank you everyone for joining.